Sir, hindi lang kami nag-file ng case. But before we file a case, we make sure that we give these agencies policy recommendations so they could actually rectify or rethink the way they do things. Kasi ang nakita po namin dyan, that automation doesn't really solve the problem of red tape immediately. Marami ho, ang common notion kasi natin, if we automate a certain system, it would automatically make it fast and make it better. Not so. You have to first rationalize the system before you could automate it. Kasi if you automate a system na magulo, you would just compound the problem.
It
Yan ho
is
nakikita
automated
natin.
stupidity or
Correct.
automated chaos.
Mas mabilis po na katangahan. in
Okay.
short.
Oh.
Pero kaya nga po, some of the systems right now is going back to resetting their systems and rethinking it. Ang point po natin dito, sir, is libre hong pagpabilisin ng sistema. So that's also our message to these government agencies. You know, you could already make things simple. Pwede mong i-unify ang iyong mga data forms. Huwag mo nang hingin ng mga hininginan ng mga kasama mo sa opisina ng mga data, mga datos, ng mga requirements. You could just pass it on within yourselves. And all of these things, you could just rearrange, the location of your offices and even merge it if necessary.
One-stop shop.
One-stop shops.
Paperless.
Correct.
Okay, reduced number of requirements.
And even post-audit, ibig sabihin, yung tinatawag natin na sabi nga ni Sec. Greg Hunasan, a system, a culture of trust instead of distrust. Aprobahan ko na yan, and then i-post-audit na lang kita.
Titingnan natin kung talagang sinunod mo. At tama.
At tama.
Okay.
Bibilis so yung mga sistema. And it would really take a paradigm shifting on the part of government offices. Well, you cannot really blame government people who have been in regulatory services for the past 40 years. Kasi ang kanilang negosyo na talaga, ang kanilang trabaho is mag-regulate and sometimes mag-over-regulate. So ARTA is there to help them also rethink.
I think this is the case with FDA because, lives are at stake, public health is at stake, and their careers are at stake if they make a mistake.
Yes, sir.
Nag-jive lahat, no? Okay, so we cannot blame them if they're overly cautious and overly regulatory. But what you're saying is you need to step in and say, teka, sobra ka na.
Sobra na. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng over-regulators dahil sa gusto nila mangurap. Pero sad to say, if an over-regulated system itself is really, a heartbeat away from corruption.